บายดีคนลาวพี่น้อง อันน้องสายเพิ่นอยากอาหารแม็กเดี๋ยวไปกินบาร์บีโดพอดีเขามีน้องสายอีกคนหนึ่งเนาะน้องฮักแพงชื่อโทนี่เพิ่นอยู่อเมริกาเนาะอิซานเนโกเพิ่นฝากเงินมาให้มาเอาไอ้พาเล่ไอ้อาดไอ้จอดไอ้เอพาเขาเจ้ากินข้าวเด้อมันก็โอเคมันก็โทรหากับเจ้าเนาะจอดไอ้เอพวกเพิ่นซึมแล้วอยู่บ้านมาบ่ได้มันก็สิเป็นนัดอาดกับคนนึงซื้อลาวเพิ่นชื่อเละโลโก้ลาว
แม่นี่
แม่นี่
ผิด
ไปหาเพิ่นก็เฮ็ด YouTube คือกัน so yep little bro is craving Mexican food he keep looking at me he keep saying arriba andale I say what does that mean
I just said I wanted a torta I didn't listen to talk about food
hey you're gonna get you a torta right over there so yeah so little bro Tony Bubs thank you man ขอบใจหลายเด้อ Tony you know มันติดต่อมาเมื่อวานนี้มัน Tony's like hey big bro let's show you some hands take the homie Pack and Lonely and Snake you know bro out to eat you know just to make you guys day go by you know I don't have much but here you know I shot some love and little bro want to eat some torta so here we go I'm gonna head out to one of Mr. Markin Sapp's recommendation is Gringo's Taco Bar we're gonna go check it out I don't think it could beat San Diego but we're gonna see so follow up with a review in a little bit guys okay Beatty traffic this is the yo quiero Taco Bell huh Viva la Mexico in a little 45-minute drive we here at Gringo's yep we're gonna go see it tastes like California love from Diego to the Bay Gringo ไปกินบางอาหารแม็กเฮ้Speedy Gonzales นะ
Órale quiero Taco Bell
para arriba me le Look my boy
with a tequila shot
my boy man what's up Loco Lao Hey, you guys, this is my boy there, Loco Lao. Welcome. You know, follow him in his YouTube channel there. คนลาวพี่น้องเพิ่นก็เฮ็ดวิดีโอเก่งอยู่เด้อเพิ่นก็ถ่ายวิดีโอเรื่องสร้างเฮือนสร้างหยังนะ You know how to drop link เพิ่นเด้อ Guys, support my boy man, Loco Lao. There's a lot of video about you know, home improvement and then homestead, all that stuff, you know. Shout out to anybody Loco Lao.
Yeah, shout out to all my friends and family back in San Diego.
There you go,
man. There you go. Langston Nation. Thanks for the shout out. Shout out to Gringo's. You've been hitting the way. Gringo's Bar.
Snake, what's up, man?
Tacos and burritos.
You want to give shout out to Bubs? Bubs sent us some money.
That's right. Hey, Bub, thank you.
Look at that, Bub.
Good looking, Bub.
He said take the homie Pack and Lonely, but they already buzzed. They can't come out. Alright, guys, let's see what kind of menu they got, all right? Let me settle in. I got the Mexican music. Yeah. Coconut. If you're not in Laos, you would think you're in Mexico. Gringo's at Vientiane. Alright, guys. Markin Sapp. I took your advice, man. I'm here at Gringo's. Try it out. It better taste like San Diego. surf and turf better be authentic. So here's the Gringo's guy in Laos. Tacos, burritos. So me and local Lao got we're gonna try the beef burrito. They're about 110,000 keep, around $5.
ยกกล้ามขึ้น
We order a maxi fry supreme,
Me,
170,000 keep.
I'm gonna have to stop by the buffet after this.
Got some chips,
Wait till
um,
we have to go on with
6-pack tacos,
ไปเอ้บ่ไป
285,000 keep.
ไปเวบุฟเฟ่ต์
It's about
ชิมแล้วไปเว
almost $15. Snake got some rolled taco. What do you get late? Calamari?
I got three tacos.
They got the calamari mexicano. Let's see how it is, guys. Until then, man, here, cheers. Woo! Good looking out, Bubs. My boy Tony. Yeah, Tony. Woo! No, bro, Tony. Hey, Snake. So one of the FC hit me up on the post I put about you on YouTube. He's gonna come down probably next month or so.
Yeah.
He's gonna go support you and buy a turkey, man.
Yeah, I got him.
You got him?
Got him.
Hook him up, huh?
Got him. Put him up.
You gonna cook it for him too?
Hell no.
Then he slice, roasted.
You gotta take it over.
You're not gonna pluck it and cook for him? See, that's the key of networking, guys. YouTube, social media. We already got a supporter for Snake Turkey. ก็เจ้าสิมาซื้อไก่งวงน้ำหมออาดเป็นสิมายามเดือนหน้าบอกขึ้นมา
For Thanksgiving, huh?
เพราะเราสิไปซื้อไก่งวงน้ำอาดตัวหนึงเนี่ยนะมันก็ support Snake, you know. Shout out to you, FC. Hey guys, this is my boy อันนี้คนลาวคนซานดิเอโกเด้อซื้อแมน
Man, yeah.
ก็จะถามเป็นจังไดล่ะเช็คอินบ่คือเขามาคุบเอาอยู่บ้าน
Check in, yep.
เช็คอินวะ
July 28th, my check-in date.
เดือนเกตวันที่
Yeah,
28 ปี2025บ่
yeah, 2025. Got deported. One of the youngest deportees, 38, 39.
น้องชายเพิ่นก็
Born
คน
87.
เฮาคือกันเนาะ
Yeah,
sickness
yeah.
so when they took you went to check in and they took you in San Diego
Yeah, they was like, you don't have any court cases, criminal charges, or some shit pending appeals. We're gonna have to detain you and take you to Otay Mason. Shit. You know?
เพิ่นก็ไปหาเขาสุปีเลยเนาะเพิ่นไปปีแล้วเดือนเกตไป
Yeah.
หาเขาละพวกไอซ์จับเขาไปขังเม่น
Yeah.
แล้วyouโดนบันไดอยู่ detention center
Where ICE? 90 days. Got some move.
เขาสิเมื่อ
Yeah. 3 months time there.
เขาส่งไปอยู่ไสนะอยู่ San Diego ได้เสร็จ
San Diego, Arizona, Louisiana.
ส่งกลับไปกลับมาอยู่เนาะมันมาตกในเดือนยังก็
Then Sibit or Sip came here October, but we got released from the camp November 4th, 2025. So
มันไปสปอนเซอร์ออกมาล่ะ
my brother sponsored it.
ไอ้
I Pole, yep.
ไอ้ตัวอยู่ลาวนี่ปะ
You loud, yeah. My half brother. Same mom, different dad. First time meeting him, so you know.
ก็เจอกับเจ้าทีแรกนี่
Yeah.
ไอ้เนาะyou tell ได้ล่ะ you guys
You Mung Noi, Ban Sing Da.
บ้านแซงดา
Mine is Ban Dong Kum Sang.
แล้วมักอยู่อะไรอยู่ลาวนี่
My-
มักอยู่อะ
I'm getting used to it. When I first got here, I was homesick, you know. Growing up all my life since a baby, 6 months old, you know. Everything I know is back in the USA. Barely learning how to speak Lao. I got to work on my Lao over here, so, you know.
so man ลูกกับเมียมีอยู่บ่
For me,
พ่อสายโสดแล้วเนาะ
my plan is to have 10
มี
kids
เชื่
out
อ
here.
เล็กน้อย
Not yet, so I need to get started right here. I have 10 kids.
คนมันมีลูกมีเมียมันเป็นโสดเด้อผู้สาวติดต่อเข้ามาเด้อ
You got $1, eh? My there.
บรรดาเพิ่นยังมีลูก10คนมาอยู่ลาวนี่
You call Luke Sip Kun, eh?
บ่มี full stamp ได้อยู่นี่เนาะหมอ
บ่แฟร์กับบ่มีได้ Yeah, so the homie wants 10 kids, guy.
Yeah,
You know,
so-
he's single,
Yeah.
he's ready to mingle, you
Yeah.
know. From San Diego's finest right here.
Well, look, man, thanks for the shout out too, you know.
Yeah.
I'll be watching your page. I actually need help with the Google AdSense. I can't get past the second step. I have to resubmit my application, you know.
Yeah, we'll get there, man.
Yeah.
Let me get through with Mark and Sam and all that. He's helping me right now, you know.
Yeah.
Once that process and get through, then I have knowledge of what you need and what you shouldn't do, what you should do, you know.
Yeah. So,
And then we'll relay that message to each other, you know.
yeah.
We all here to support each other, man.
I'm guessing you gotta wait like 32 days or something before you resubmit, but I don't know.
Mark told me sometimes it take long, sometimes it don't, you know.
Yeah.
It all depends on mine's under review now too, you know. So
Well, they said I already had an AdSense account. I think it might have been from my DistroKid when I had my music online,
yeah,
and I never renewed it, so it might have been from that.
yeah. Sometimes when you're trying to get paid, there is a lot of confusion going on, and people have too many accounts or set it up wrong, you know.
Yeah, I checked for duplicate accounts and all that, so you know what I mean? Once I get monetized, you're going to see me on YouTube posting more, be more motivated, you know?
นำเพิ่นเด้อคนลาวเด้อ Face เพิ่นโลโก้ลาวเขาจะเอาลงให้ดอก ลิงก์เพิ่นเด้อ So you guys follow him too, man. Good people, man, from San Diego too, you know. No bro, man.
Likewise, follow the big homie.
Yeah.
Before you had big
We all love out there, man. But right now, Snake is buzzed.
but you need to pump the
Come on your shirt, Snake. Come on the shirt. Come on the shirt, man. They want to see.
they're gonna think I'm showing off.
So here are the maxi fries. Looks pretty good.
It look like chili.
Calamari.
This shit don't look authentic.
Try it out.
Just to make this little
Chips.
This is
Salsa.
get in the warm.
Good guac.
Hey, it ain't authentic unless you got this one.
The little
Margarita.
female martini. You fancy, huh? Taco. What you got?
Bonitos and beef.
Bonitas and beef. All right. Get it, lady. Get it. Ooh, señorita. Feeling it. Here's a hard shell tacos, guy. We got
The
beef.
one with the hot carrots and all
We
that.
got beef, chicken, and pork in the soft shell taco. How's it, Snake?
Good.
Pretty good? What about you, Margarita?
Need some hot sauce,
Let me see. Do the move.
Hot sauce.
Yeah.
Be feeling that shit.
Amigo. That's my burrito right here, okay? My beef burrito. Gringo burrito.
What's that place that we went to that got the
Gringo.
chicken there?
Markin Sap, I love you, bro. But I think Fresno Mexican food and San Diego Mexican food is different. Gringos is good, but it's different, you know. The homie said it tastes like Taco Bell. But we punish everything still, though. Snake ate all his stuff. Lazy's buzz on the margarita. Local Lao, he has to use the restroom, so food's good, you know. It's a good experience. Thank you for the recommendation. โอเคขอลาพี่น้องข้าวอิ่มมาแล้วเด้อพวกนั้นก็ขึ้นรถจักรสิเมื่อละแซ่บอยู่อาหารแม็กเนาะครับมันก็บ่คือบ้านเฮาดอกเนาะของเฮาเราอยู่ซานดิเอโกแม็กบักกะลายเนาะของเฮาเราเรื่องกินอาหารแม็กแนวนั้นแบบมานี่ก็โอเคอยู่เขาเจ้าก็เสิร์ฟเฮาดีอย่างอยู่เนาะโซกินเบิดเท่านั้นหั่นน่ะเท่าใดล้าน8แสน So the food's good, guy. You can't compare it to back home, you know, because California, that's all Mexican, you know. The real authentic food. You know, this one is more like Taco Bell, you know. But the carnita's good. The chicken taco's good. It's just the beef. They don't have the real beef, so. And the bill was $1,800,000, which is almost $80 something, $90. I said we tipped them the rest, give them the whole 100, you know, give them $2 million keep, so it's a little bit under $100. It's good. We had a good time. Drank a couple Corona, and everyone had a good time. Everyone's full, so time to go home now. Boys going home. All right, fella. Drive safe, man. Thanks for coming. All right, man. Drive safe. Yep. Ooh, there you go. Okay, พลาพี่น้องวันนี้ก็บัดเท่านี้เด้อเราก็พาน้องทรายมากินอาหารเนี่ยอยู่บ้านเพิ่นก็ห้องอาริบาอยู่ผู้เดียว เพิ่นอยากทักโก้วีโดเขากินแต่อาหารแล้วล้าวเลยหลายเนาะเขาก็มันก็แซ่บพอแล้วอาหารลาวก็สิมาลองอันประเทศอเมริกาเนี่ยหน่อยนึงเนาะมื้อหน้าก็จะไปกินแฮมเบอร์เกอร์เบิ่ง มันก็สิคือประเทศเฮาบ่เนาะเปลี่ยนไปหน่อยนึงแน่เฮาก็มีอันน้องชายอยู่อเมริกาฝากกันมาให้มันก็เนาะพาหมู่ไปกินข้าวไปยิ้มไปหัวแล้วก็มีเท่านั้นแหละเนาะSo, alright guys, so we're gonna end the night here. Thank you for watching. You know, little bro is craving Mexican food. He's craving a torta. He had his little margarita. He's good.
Tortas, man.
He kind of look like Speedy Gonzalez now. Arriba, arriba. Well, of course, you know the food. You can't compare it to the state. You know, we grew up eating those kind of stuff. It's authentic. At least we came, we tried. Shout out to Mark. We came to your restaurant. And maybe there's more out there that we could try, you know. Most of all, shout out to Tony. Bubs, little bro from the States, San Diego. Good looking out, Bubs. The guys are happy. They appreciate the dinner. And, till next time, man. Catch you guys on the next one, okay? Thank you for watching. Okay, คนเราหน้าเจอกันใหม่เด้อถูกรับไปนอนซะ